Oki, and welcome to Illuminate. I am Andy Roberts. Join us for our Wine and Cheese networking event during the Spark Teaching Symposium. Whether you're sharing insights, brainstorming ideas, or simply enjoying the ambience, this is the perfect opportunity to network and unwind after a day of enriching sessions. Don't miss out on this chance to foster new relationships and spark collaboration. Reset is your one-stop destination for accessing scholarship of teaching and learning or SOTL resources designed to enhance teaching excellence. Explore our collection of articles tailored to support educators at every stage of their journey. Additionally, we invite you to contribute your scholarship of teaching and learning research to Reset by sharing your content. Discover how Reset can inspire and elevate your teaching practice. As we approach the end of the semester and final exams, it's crucial for faculty members to be mindful of their students' mental health. Recognizing the pressure and stress students may be under, we can support them by offering flexibility with deadlines, providing additional resources for managing stress, and encouraging open communication. Remind students of the importance of self-care and taking breaks, and let them know that seeking support is not a sign of weakness, but a proactive step towards well-being. By fostering a supportive and understanding environment, we can help our students navigate this challenging time with resilience and success. If you have any questions about these or other Teaching Center or Agility events, please contact the Teaching Center.